Did you know that our solar system has already received mysterious visitors from other stars? Objects that travel through deep space and appear without warning, like cosmic wanderers on a brief journey. Well, in 2024, astronomers detected something truly astonishing. 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered by humankind. But what exactly is this visitor? How was it found? And most importantly, what secrets can it reveal about distant worlds that we may never be able to explore? Get ready, because today we'll uncover 10 fascinating curiosities about 3I Atlas, an enigma that challenges science and expands our view of the universe. 1. What is 3I Atlas? Have you ever imagined mysterious visitors crossing our solar system from unimaginable places? That's exactly what 3I Atlas represents, a cosmic messenger from another star. Unlike ordinary asteroids and comets born here, this object traveled through deep space until it was noticed by our telescopes. 3I Atlas is officially the third interstellar object ever identified by humankind. This means that in all of astronomy's history, we've only had 3 chances to study something that came from outside the solar system. Its discovery was a surprise that reignited scientists' curiosity about what might exist beyond our cosmic borders. Unlike celestial bodies bound by the sun's gravity, 3I Atlas is just passing through. It moves at such high speed that it will never remain here. This alone proves that its origin lies in another stellar system. It's like meeting a hurried traveler who has no time to stop. The arrival of such an object raises countless questions. How was it formed? What is it made of? And most importantly, what can its composition tell us about worlds we may never see up close? 3I Atlas works like a time capsule, carrying secrets from a distant system. Astronomy views these objects as unique opportunities. If we cannot yet travel to other stars, at least fragments of them come to us. It's as if the universe were sending samples to spark our scientific imagination. For this reason, 3I Atlas is not just another celestial body. It's a reminder that we live in a dynamic, interconnected cosmos, where boundaries don't exist and visitors can appear at any moment, bringing mysteries beyond our comprehension. 2. The discovery in 2024. 3I Atlas was identified in 2024 by a system called ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. This network of telescopes in Hawaii was designed to detect near-Earth objects that might pose a risk. But in this case, it revealed something far more impressive: an interstellar visitor. From the very first observations, astronomers noticed something unusual. Its speed and trajectory didn't match any known solar system body. This raised suspicions that it might be another object from deep space, a hypothesis that calculations quickly confirmed. The discovery generated huge excitement in the scientific community. Just a few years earlier, we had witnessed the passages of Oumuamua and Borisov, and now we had a third specimen to study. It was a chance to compare their features and expand our understanding of interstellar diversity. The fact that 3I Atlas was captured by a terrestrial monitoring system highlights how prepared modern technology has become to detect rare cosmic events. This increases our chances of catching these fleeting encounters. Astronomers worldwide quickly turned their telescopes toward the object. Time was short, since it was crossing the solar system at high speed and would soon be out of reach. Every observation became invaluable for extracting as much information as possible. The discovery in 2024 wasn't just a scientific milestone, it was also a reminder that the universe still holds many surprises. Objects like 3I Atlas can appear at any moment, each bringing new clues to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. 3. The origin of the name. 3I Atlas astronomical names may sound strange, but each part carries meaning. In the case of 3I Atlas, 3I stands for Third Interstellar Object Ever Discovered. This designation follows the same logic as its predecessors: Oumuamua, the first, and Borisov, the second. In a way, its name is like an honorary title marking its place in cosmic history. The Atlas portion refers to the telescope system responsible for spotting it. Atlas was originally designed to detect asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth, but it ended up becoming a hunter of interstellar wanderers. The acronym stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. This naming convention connects the discovery directly to the technology that made it possible. It's like a signature giving credit to both the instrument and the team behind it. Whenever someone mentions 3I Atlas, they're not only referring to the object itself, but also to the ingenuity that uncovered it. It's worth noting that most astronomical names follow technical patterns, often sounding cold and formal. However, each time a new interstellar object is discovered, the scientific community emphasizes its rarity and significance. In this case, 3I Atlas reflects the extraordinary nature of the find. This also shows how science organizes knowledge. The designation isn't just a label, but part of a classification system that will help compare future discoveries. Perhaps one day we'll have dozens of X objects, but for now, 3I Atlas belongs to an exclusive and elite group. So the name 3I Atlas is more than just a string of letters. It's a symbol of rarity, scientific achievement, and the deep connection between cosmic mysteries and human exploration. 4. Comparison with Oumuamua and Borisov. When discussing 3I Atlas, it's impossible not to compare it with its predecessors. Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, and Borisov, spotted in 2019. These three objects form a historic trilogy, the first clear signs that fragments from other star systems occasionally cross our path. Oumuamua attracted worldwide attention with its elongated shape and unusual behavior, sparking even bold hypotheses that it might be an alien probe. Borisov, on the other hand, looked much more like a traditional comet, releasing gas and dust during its passage. 3I Atlas seems to share more in common with Borisov than with Oumuamua. Astronomers observed hints of cometary activity, suggesting it is made of ice and dust that vaporize as it approaches the sun. This puts it closer to what we expect from comets than from asteroids. This similarity reinforces the idea that many interstellar visitors could be comets. It makes sense since icy bodies tend to form in the outer regions of stellar systems and can be ejected more easily into interstellar space. However, each of these three objects brought unique lessons. Oumuamua showed us that some objects are difficult to classify. Borisov confirmed familiar comet-like behavior, and 3I Atlas added new data to the puzzle of interstellar diversity. So, 3I Atlas is not just another one. It joins a rare sequence of discoveries that expand our understanding of the universe. Together, these visitors prove that interstellar space is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we ever imagined. 5. Its size and appearance. Observing 3I Atlas is no easy task, as it lies millions of kilometers away and moves at incredible speed. Initial estimates suggest it is relatively small, comparable to a typical comet, though exact measurements remain uncertain. This makes it a true enigma for astronomers. Its appearance is also difficult to determine. Unlike planets and moons, which can be photographed in detail, 3I Atlas can only be studied through the light it reflects and the traces of gas it releases. Early observations suggest it may be rich in ice and dust. This trait is important because it strengthens the theory that 3I Atlas is comet-like. If composed of frozen materials, it likely formed in the outer, colder regions of a stellar system before being ejected into interstellar space. The lack of detailed images highlights the limitations of current technology. Even with advanced telescopes, tracking such a small and fast-moving object is a major challenge. As a result, many questions about its exact shape and features remain unanswered. Some astronomers speculate that, like Borisov, 3I Atlas could develop a tail, the classic hallmark of comets. If confirmed, this would provide visual proof of its icy composition and behavior under solar heating. For now, its appearance remains shrouded in mystery. What little we know is enough to fuel scientific curiosity and emphasize the need to keep improving our tools for cosmic observation. 6. The trajectory through the solar system. The trajectory of 3I Atlas is another key clue confirming its interstellar nature. From the start, calculations showed its orbit was not closed around the sun, but hyperbolic. This means it entered the solar system, will pass by, and then continue its journey, never to return. During its approach, the object passed relatively far from Earth, posing no danger. Even so, it came close enough to allow valuable observations by both ground-based and space telescopes. The most striking feature of its path is that it was never captured by the sun's gravity. Unlike local comets and asteroids bound in predictable orbits, 3I Atlas is merely a passerby, rushing onward to the unknown. Its motion also helps scientists retrace its possible origin. By analyzing the angle and direction of its trajectory, they can estimate which region of space it might have come from. Though not precise enough to pinpoint a star, it provides useful clues. Another fascinating aspect is its incredible speed. 3I Atlas crosses the solar system in a matter of months, while local comets can take years or centuries to complete an orbit. This fast pace confirms it doesn't belong to our celestial neighborhood. Thus, its trajectory is undeniable proof of its interstellar identity. Tracking its path isn't just about following an object, it's about witnessing a journey that began far beyond the borders of our sun. 7. Cosmic speed. One of the most fascinating aspects of 3I Atlas is its speed. It moves so fast that the sun's gravity cannot trap it. This fact alone confirms its interstellar origin, as no object born within the solar system would escape so easily. Its velocity is estimated to be similar to that of its predecessors, reaching tens of kilometers per second. For comparison, Earth orbits the sun at about 30 kilometers. 3I Atlas travels even faster, crossing the solar system in just a few months. This incredible pace makes it extremely challenging to observe. While astronomers try to gather data, the object covers millions of kilometers in just days. It's like trying to photograph a race car at full speed, but on a cosmic scale. Its speed also provides hints about its past. An object expelled from a stellar system may gain enough momentum to wander endlessly through interstellar space, until by chance, it passes through another system, like ours. Another intriguing point is that despite its extreme velocity, it remains intact. This shows that 3I Atlas is sturdy enough to survive millions of years drifting through deep space. Its very presence proves the resilience of such cosmic fragments. Thus, every kilometer traveled by 3I Atlas carries valuable clues about the processes shaping the universe. Its speed is not just impressive, it is a signature of its distant, mysterious origin. 8. Mysteries about its origin. The biggest question surrounding 3I Atlas is, where did it come from? Its trajectory confirms it as an interstellar visitor, but identifying its exact star of origin is nearly impossible. It may have been expelled from the outer regions of a planetary system similar to ours. One widely accepted hypothesis is that such objects form in icy, dusty regions far from their stars. Gravitational interactions with giant planets can eject them into deep space, turning them into cosmic wanderers without a fixed destination. Another possibility is that it originated from a dead or collapsed star, carrying remnants of a system that no longer exists. If true, 3I Atlas would be like a messenger from the past, holding fragments of worlds that vanished billions of years ago. While we cannot pinpoint its birthplace, its composition offers vital clues. By analyzing reflected light and gases it emits, astronomers compare its features with local comets and asteroids, identifying similarities and differences. Each interstellar object found so far expands our cosmic catalog. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now 3I Atlas show that the galaxy is dynamic, constantly ejecting and exchanging fragments between systems. So, 3I Atlas is more than just a distant comet. It is a window into invisible worlds, carrying in its icy structure evidence of the birth and death of planetary systems across the galaxy. 9. Importance for science. Every interstellar visitor represents a unique scientific opportunity. 3I Atlas, for example, carries materials that did not form in the solar system, offering a rare chance to compare chemical compositions from different stellar environments. It's like receiving a free sample from deep space, delivered right to our doorstep. Scientists believe that understanding such objects can reveal secrets about how planets form around other stars. By comparing them with local comets and asteroids, we can identify universal patterns or unique traits that distinguish different systems. Moreover, studying these travelers helps refine our theories of cosmic dynamics. Knowing that fragments from other worlds reach us proves that the universe is more interconnected than we once imagined. Another key point is that detecting objects like 3i Atlas highlights the efficiency of modern monitoring systems. Humanity is increasingly prepared to capture rare events, enhancing our ability to study the cosmos in real time. Even with limited time for observation, every piece of data is precious. Small details, such as brightness variations or faint gas emissions, enrich our astronomical knowledge and push science forward. Thus, 3i Atlas is not just a curiosity. It is a crucial piece in the vast cosmic puzzle that humanity has been trying to solve for centuries. 10. The future of 3i Atlas. The destiny of 3i Atlas is already set. It will continue its journey into interstellar space, leaving the solar system behind. Unlike local comets that eventually return, this traveler will never be seen again. It's a final farewell. Astronomers know that time is short. In just a few months, it will be too far away to study with any clarity. This creates a race against the clock, where every night of telescope observation is critical to extracting knowledge. In the future, 3i Atlas will vanish into the cosmic abyss, perhaps crossing paths with another star system. Just as we observed it here, it might one day be detected by astronomers on a distant world. This possibility expands our vision of the universe. If objects like 3i Atlas can move freely between stars, then matter is constantly exchanged across systems, linking worlds that might otherwise never interact. Even though we cannot follow its endless journey, its brief visit has already left a permanent mark. It now joins the short but significant list of discoveries that reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Ultimately, 3i Atlas is a reminder that the universe is alive, dynamic, and full of mysteries. Its passage invites us to look up at the sky and wonder how many more interstellar visitors are on their way to us right now. And so, we've reached the end of our journey with the mysterious 3i Atlas, an interstellar visitor that crossed our solar system and left behind more questions than answers. Every detail we uncover about it is a clue about distant worlds, unknown star systems, and the secrets the universe still hides from us. But what if this isn't the last one? How many other cosmic travelers are already on their way, invisible to our eyes, about to cross our skies? Could we one day encounter an object that reveals even more about the origins of life and the universe itself? If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who loves space mysteries. And tell me in the comments, which of these 10 curiosities about 3i Atlas impressed you the most?